Alright guys, so we get the common question of I want, I don't want to go turbo because I want something that could drive around and something reliable. They want to go blower. But, I mean, we're driving dark side to the track with a fuel cell. We still have a full tank, by the way. It's a 25-minute drive to the track. It's still full. We've been driving for like 15 minutes. And this is like a low 8-second truck. So we changed the converter from Evadale. Then last time we went to go test, we put a grader from Circle D hooked us up with a fresh one to see if we could get we were having some issues with the truck. We're trying to get up, running slower, and turn it down to go faster. We went over the whole truck, changed the converter. We're gonna see what happens. But I thought I'd show you guys. Oh, look at the trans temp too with our trans coolers. It's I don't know what the temperature outside is. The screen didn't come up right now, but it's probably like in the 80s. The trans temp's 109. We still have a full tank of gas with the fuel cell. With our daylight performance, it's like a 5-6 gallon fuel cell, and it's still full. And it's a twin turbo truck, so I don't know what more. It's carbon fiber doors, but shout out to Matt for deciding to keep AC in this truck. I'm not even worried about putting the windows down.
Ice cold.
Ice cold, like straight up. But we're probably like 10 minutes away from the track. So. Alright guys, so we just got to H&P, and just to show y'all, again, the fuel cell. If y'all want to look it up from Velocity to Houston Motorsports Park, the mileage we got here with more than 3/4 of tank of gas. So if that's not good enough, I don't know what good enough is. For a fuel cell, a truck on 85 and boost and everything else. So, I mean, shit.
So in other words, sidebow.
In other words,
that's a sick G body.
Yeah, get you a fuel cell, save 100 pounds in weight, you drive to the track. Potentially, if this is an N8 truck, you could probably make hits and drive it back still. Turn off the AC. And we can cool off the truck for a little bit. Trans temp at 129. Cool it off for a bit. Wait for my dad to get here because I need my pants so I can check in. And
yeah, we also has no pants on. Don't point the camera down.
Dad, don't point the camera down. I don't got.
Why wouldn't it? Got it out the mud, so I'm pouring spray through it. Fucked out the club, said her boyfriend wanna book me. I'm still feeling love in some areas I shouldn't. I just paid cash for that bitch with no insurance. Give her right back. Pop another pink, we fell out by the slut. Now he say he pee. Codeine on the bus, no tore it out the lead.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're back at the track. We're here with Darkman again. H&P, just like I told y'all on the last video. We changed the converter on the dark side, fixed a couple boost leaks that I had, and actually drove the truck here to the track, and let's see what it does today.
Alright, so we just made a hit. First pass on what should be, I just commanded 8 on the dome on the whole pass, 7 pounds spray. It should be 15 pounds. As soon as my dad gets back, I'll open the truck, I'm gonna check the log. But on what should be 15 pounds, we ran a 567 at 124. Alright, so this is how we're gonna find out. Actually, if it was on 15 pounds, then this thing is just moving.
On 15 sidebows?
Alright, so y'all can see, well, it didn't make the 15. On 8 dome, we got about 18 pounds. That's what we got on our log of the AMS. 18 pounds, 5.6 at 124. That's crazy. So I'm gonna leave the 2-3 shift the same, and we'll probably hit.
We're about to hit 30 pounds, man. it picked up the tire in the front a little bit.
Nah,
It was a little bit. But
good pass though.
Yeah, good pass. I don't know how much he turned it up. I did believe he said he added about 30 pounds on scramble. The truck felt good. He wasn't a hit scramble, but I mean, I don't know what he did. But it did look like a solid, I'd say maybe a 530, 540 pass.
Alright, so I thought I added more on the boost controller, but I didn't. It went to 551 at 128 on 20 pounds. 2.3 up top was about 22. 28 pounds or 22. That's still nothing. I don't know. I guess I gotta add a lot more dome, but I added, I thought I was fair with the dome pressure, but I guess we gotta add more. There you go, 551, 128. That's pretty good.
Yeah,
on 22 pounds. On 18 pounds, went 560, 2022, 551.
Yeah.
Shit. So, that would let it cool off and make another hit. But now I'm gonna be a little bit more crazy. Well, not crazy, a little bit more
Faster
with I guess the tune-up, turn it up a little higher. So. Let it cool off, make another hit here shortly. Like skip the gear, you heard it?
Yeah,
I didn't hear shit, brother, that fucking nitrous car.
Yeah, 540 at 131. It's a little quicker. But we won't find out until we look at the log. So, let's see how much boost that was. If not.
mile.
Well, seems like we went 5:46. So that probably ends it for today. We went on 5:46, but you can probably hear in the video it's like skipping a gear, so that's slowing us down. And we'll look at the log, see how much boost we make too. So we'll see. All right, guys. So this would be the last pass. Well, this was the last pass of the night. Came to the conclusion we probably have a valve body issue. We did refresh the trans, but we left the same valve body, thinking it was fine to do. But now we're gonna probably go through it again, put a new valve body, just kind of show you what's going on. I mean, we're still on 25, 26 pounds. So this is a 2-3 shift, and it really doesn't shift to up here. Basically, what it does, it goes from like second to fourth, fourth to fifth, and then that was it. So the truck really only shifted twice on that whole pass. 8 mile pass only shifted twice. We better got almost a T400 in here. But yeah, we're gonna pull the trans off, kind of check it out, put a new valve body. The new converter seems like to be working good. So this truck is fast on low boost though. 18 pounds, went 560s, 2022, 550s. I mean, that's really, honestly,
basically when the transmission likes it, it goes fast. It's just once
when it doesn't make much power, the trans likes it. Once you start adding it, it gets a little finicky. But like I said, it probably just, we never really had this issue. We usually on this boost, it's like nothing. Like I said, it's probably reusing the valve body. We should have put a new one. Plus, we had kind of a, I guess the other converter might have been a little messed up, so that might have damaged the trans. So, that being said, we're gonna pull the trans off, check it, and then come back out. But I mean, shit, basically this truck had a stock motor. It'll go 550s. 20 pounds. We pushed 20 to 22 on stock motors, and they hold fine. So it's a 550 truck by heart. And if we throw more boost in it, it starts going crazy. It makes the power, but then it doesn't go 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. So it does 4, 5, 5, 6. It goes 2 to 4 to 6 or 3 to 6. It just skips gears. So pretty much ends this video. Check out our daylight kits. As I said, we're driving this truck here, 540s with some little issues with skipping gears, driving it back home. Fuel cell and all. So check out our Daylight Performance Houston website and our Velocity Parts Performance for all your parts needs, and our Shop Velocity Racing for your merch. Support us coming out here and making content and be able to do this for you guys. So, appreciate it.
Sidebar.
Why wouldn't it? Got it out the mud, so I'm pouring Sprite through it. Fucked out the club, said her boyfriend wanna book me. I'm still feeling love in some areas I shouldn't. I just paid cash for that bitch with no insurance. Give her right back, pop another pink. We fell out by the slut.